This is a DIY websites web page, and I will now add a slider. So use the plus button, add slider, and here is my slider here. If I go left and right, I will see different images with titles. But of course, I will change that image because this is the default one, and I can do that from the slide settings. As you can see, every slide has that little pencil green button on top. That is where I change images. So I will select my own image here. And then I will say table with suites, something like that, because this is important for search engine optimization. And if I want that image to be a URL and open a different web page, I can paste the URL here. I will just save it for now. Then I can edit the title here. I can say table with suites or something like that. Then I am going to the other. We'll do the same. New image. Maybe sunset. And or whatever your title is here. Now, if I want to add another one, because I have only two here by default, I have to use the slider settings and then click the plus sign over here. When I click it, a new slide is already being added here. Then the same exercise, add an image, alt text title. If I want to add another one, again, click the plus. Then we have another one. At the moment I have 4 here. Now there are a few more options here. It could be an autoplay slider. That means that every 5 seconds it will change the slides. And also you can control the style where the title goes. And also a custom height if you'd like. And then you can control the slides per view. That means that on every view, it might have 2, 3, or even 4 slides, like that. Now, another nice tip is if you want to take that real estate here as well for your slider, you have to change the section. So you can make the section Excel, and your slider will be a full screen. In case of 4 slides, that could be beneficial. And again, section, depending on the width you're looking for, even smaller. Now I'll leave it to large, and I will leave it to 1 slide. And don't forget that if you want this to be a URL, you have to specify the URL here for every slide. So going on the next one, place the URL. In case you want to delete a slide, let's say that this is slide title number 3, and I don't need that. I can do it like clicking on that bin icon over here. If you click on that bin icon on the blue pencil, you will delete the full slider, everything. But that specific slide over here, I'm just going to click here. And now it's not there anymore. I already have just 3. 1, 2, 3. And then back to the first one. Now, if I want to move a slider, let's say that I don't want this to be on first position anymore. I can use the arrow, move on the right. And then this is becoming the first slide, and this is the second, and this is the third. If I want that to go on the 3rd position, again, move on to the right. So this is 2nd position, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And back from the start.